The topic I'm going to discuss is the life insurance. Before moving to the topic, let's begin with the basic meaning of life insurance. Life insurance is that insurance that pay out the sum of money either on the death of the insured person or after a set period of time. Life insurance is basically defined as the contract that is formed between the two parties. The very first one is the insurance company, and the second one is the policy holder. Under this contract, the basic information must be provided in the crystal clear form to both the parties, that is, to the insurance company and to the client who is opting the policy. The insurance company must provide that kind of information that must be in the acknowledge of the particular policy holder, whereas the particular amount of premium must be paid by the policy holder after the particular period of time, and the insurer promises to pay a sum amount of money in exchange of that premium upon in the case of death of an insured person or after a set period of time, whichever is earlier. If in the case of death of the particular person is occurrence, then the particular amount of premium that is paid by the insured person must be paid to the nominee. And if the case, that is the maturity case, is occurred before the death of the particular insured person, then at the time of maturity period, the particular amount of life insurance must be given to that insured person. Here at the ICICI Prudent Life Insurance, a person has to pay the premium for the specific terms, and in return, they provide the life coverage. If we are talking about the industries, that is the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Under this condition and under these plans and policy, a particular person has to pay the premium in a specific term, and in the return of that particular kind of premium, the company or the insurance company will provide the life coverage to the particular person. That particular life coverage must be for their loved ones. That particular amount must be provided in the future time period in the lump sum amount in any case or any unfortunate event is happened. In some kind of policy, a person has to pay an amount that is the maturity benefit at the end of the policy term, whichever is earlier. If the maturity period is closed or the policy is matured before the death of the particular person, and that particular amount is provided to the insured person. The topic we are going to discuss is the history of life insurance. Basically, insurance in India can be treated as the back of Vedas. If we're talking about the Vedas or ancient Vedas, these kind of insurance policies are treated from the back of Vedas. For instance, that is the Yogshama. The name of Life Insurance Corporation of India's corporate headquarters is derived from the Rig Vedas. Whatever the life insurance policies, whatever their plans and policies and their accomplishment and their India's corporate headquarters, these all things are derived from the Rig Vedas, ancient Vedas. If we are talking about the Bombay Mutual Assurance Society, the very first Indian life insurance society was formed in 1870s. In the 1870s year, the very first Indian life insurance society was formed, and it was formed in Bombay Mutual Assurance Society. And other companies like Oriented, Bharat, and Empire of India was also set up after that, and these all were set up in the year 1870s to 90s. So it was during the Swadeshi movement in the earlier of 20th century. As this is the 21st century, and if we are talking about the century that is the 20th century, that insurance witnessed a big boom in India with several more companies being set up. After the accomplishment of many companies in the year 1870s and 90s, then in the earlier movement of Swadeshi, in the earlier 20th century, if you are talking about the 20th century, the insurance company witnessed with the big boom in the India, that number of plans policies are highly adapted by the various number of clients, as there is the biggest demand of insurance policy in the period of 20th century in India, and more of the several companies were also take place in market. So if you are talking about the Vedas, that are exactly the texts that are cast in the Indian, then involve the number of ancient things around the world. According to the number of Vedas and according to the number of ancient things, number of plans and policies are framed in the oldest number of years, as there is the collection of formation of earliest bodies like Indian scriptures, Rig Vedas, Sama Vedas, and Yug Vedas. These all Vedas are also considered in the formation of life insurance policies and life insurance companies. The next topic we are going to discuss is the importance of life insurance. That why life insurance is important for a particular person. The very first point is secure your family and financial future. As we have earlier discussed that a particular amount of premium is paid by the insured person, and after the death of the particular person, that premium amount is paid in lump sum amounts to the family or their nominee person, so that that financial amount will definitely prevent their future. Life insurance is all about to securing the life and your loved ones in the terms of financial. All parents want their children to take care even when they are not around. Life insurance make it easy for these kind of problems, that one won't suffer financially in their absence. So it will definitely help their loved ones to help in the future in the amount of financially, and it will be helped by the insurance company in the form of premium amount that is paid in a lump sum to the nominee. The next one is the accomplish your financial goals. Whatever the amount of premium is provided to the number of insurance company after a particular period of time, that particular premium is also a nature of saving. The particular amount is to save for the future period of time. So life insurance plans will also help you to increase their goals by helping them to building the financially and protect the life coverage. So it also helps to build up a habit of saving by paying the little amount of insurance company in the form of premium in each month. The next one is the brings peace of mind. Having the life insurance will definitely gives you the peace of mind, because life is uncertain and every uncertainty is happen at any point period of time. And life insurance will definitely offer the financial assistance to the number of families when you are no longer around. If a particular person is having the life insurance company and after his death, the financial amount is provided to the family. So there is a peace of mind in the life of insured person, that after his life, the particular amount of insurance is provided to the family. Next one is the saving of tax. Generally, a person can claim an income tax deduction on his life insurance premium under the section of 80C of the Companies Act 1961. A client or an individual, whatever, adapt an insurance company, whatever, adapt an insurance policy, and that particular amount of policy and that amount will be deducted from the insurance. That may include under the section of 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961, which may include the payouts for the death claim or the tax-free under the section 10 and the 10D of the Income Tax Act 1961. So according to the Income Tax Act 1961, a particular person can claim an income tax deduction on the life insurance policy, which may include the subsection that is the section 80C.